Welcome back to the Coastal Craft Film channel. So today I'll be showing you how to set up the Libby library app. So yesterday we went to the library for the first time and we got some library cards. So I got 5 library cards, 4 for my children and 1 for myself, and they have some really cute designs in our library. They let you pick which one you like, and this is really cute. It's sea creatures because we live in the coast. So we got all that, and I've already installed the Libby library app. So let's see how this goes. So welcome. Thousands of public libraries offer ebooks and audiobooks for free in Libby. Let me ask you a few questions to guide you to your library. So do you have a library card? So yes, we do have a library card. Search for library, and then there, that's what I'm gonna use, the Oregon Library Consortium. And you're gonna sign in with your card, and you would need your card number. That's why we got some cards yesterday. Sign in with your card. There is a lot of locations, so you can like view all the location in your zip code. I've already inputted my zip code. So we're gonna pick this one, and it will ask you for your card number. So the card number is located on the back of your library card. So I'm gonna type that right now. Okay, so I'm signed in. You should see your library card number here. Okay, you're signed in. Here's your library card, and then you click next. Here is what the inside of the app look like. So it would vary probably between libraries, but here is how ours look like. So if you want kids, nursery rhymes, classic tales, robots, pirates. So what do you do in preschool? That's one of that. So that's probably what I'm going to be borrowing, kids and teens. You just need to be careful in what you pick. So I'm going to review it first and see which is a better fit for us. So let's see here. Library cards. Here's your library cards. You can manage it. The downloads. Let's see here. It's your shelf, holds, timeline, notices. And then here's your tags. I think my screen is way too bright. Let me, so you can see better probably. And then here's a search bar where you can like search for something that you would like. For example, the frog and the toad. Let's see if it'll pull up frog and toad for kids. Probably not everything is here, but here it's pulling up some. So for example, let me see here, frogs and toads. So if you want something like that's educational, like this one, for example, I'll try to borrow this for my child, about frogs and toads, compares physical characteristics. If you want to borrow it, I think you would click here. Let me see if you can read the sample as well. It's loading right now. And so there's 3 pages of samples, so you can view the inside. Frogs and toads. So let's see here. It says so let's go back, and I will borrow that just to give you an example. Juvenile. Let's see here. See, you could actually look at they show you the series, so you can borrow those as well. For example, the great whale. Let's see. Notify me. What does this mean? Okay, this title is not in your library's catalog. Tag it to receive a notification if the library acquires a copy. So I'm gonna tag myself because I want that. Let's see what I'm already tagged there. Regular tag. Okay, so I've tagged myself on that. Let's go back to the frogs and toads. Because I'm gonna try to borrow the Frogs and Toads and see if I could go back. Okay. So other titles. Oh, there's the Frog and Toad that I was looking for. So I actually want to borrow this. Place a hold. There's actually a recap here. What does this mean? Place a hold. Available soon. One person is waiting. So I'm gonna place a hold on that. Let's see if it place hold. Okay, so I placed a hold. So it'll notify me when that book is available. This is actually really cool. So let's just try, let's see, Honeybee. Let me try that. So notify me. I just want educational titles for my kids, so that would be good. And Monarch Butterfly as well. I'm going to notify myself for that. Notify. And create a new tag. Okay, let's put butterflies. Create. Okay, so let's just start with the frog. I'm going to try to borrow this for my kid. Borrow. Okay, let's do. Okay, you got 14 days to borrow it. As you can see here at the bottom, it says out of 10 loans, 1 hold. You can borrow it for 14 days. So I'm going to try to borrow that. I'll tell you when your loan is due. Would you like to set up your notification now? Okay, so I'm going to manage notification. I want to manage notification so we're informed. Loan appears a few days before your loan is due. What's this? Hold ready. Hold lapse. Notify me. Okay, notifications are. So I've borrowed the item, as you can see here, borrowed. It says they're checked, and it's tagged. What does this mean? Reading journey. Let's see. I actually haven't read the book yet. I don't know why the progress is there, but it's borrowed for 14 days. And how do you export data? Synchronize shelf. So I'm going to figure out how to return this. Let's see. Okay, so oops, let's go back to the app. Let's look at my library here. 1 card, 1 out of 10 loans. So you can borrow 10 books. Okay, so you can manage the loan. So it's due in 14 days. So you got 2 weeks to read it. Let's see what the tag is. Okay, tag is borrowed. Those are the tagged ones. And read with on this device. So this is really cool for your children. So if you're doing like a reading time, they could just do something like this. How many pages is this? So it's just 26 pages. So this is the cover, Frogs and Toads. And it's very vivid. So that's really cool. So I'm going to show you how to manage the loan because I want to know how to return it. So return early, see there? Subscribe. You can return it early. You can like Alexa, set a timer, set an alarm for 13 days.
Alarm set for 6:56 a.m. on August 11th.
Okay, so you got until August 11th to read it, but you can return it early. You could also renew it. And yeah, so you remove the download when you're done with it, so it's not filling up your device. So I think, yeah, that's about it. And I'm gonna ask my child what she wants to search for, and we could just borrow it and for free in the library. So that is our video for today. I hope this video is helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.